Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi from Gigi's Canvas and today I have a very special guest. This is my friend Riley.
Hello.
Hi Riley! Riley is one of my really good friends and she agreed to do this video with me for my channel, so thank you so much
you're
for
so
being
welcome.
here. Today I did this glam on her. I've been wanting to do a makeup on her for a while and we finally are here. So if you guys want to see how we achieved this look on her, then don't go anywhere and just keep on watching. Thank you. Bye. So you're gonna get to try my new primer. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Go ahead and prime your face. We can have a smooth base. I'm excited. What primer do you use, Renee?
I use a very fancy Garnier BB cream from Rite Aid.
As a primer?
Pretty
or
much.
like foundation?
I told you you'd be shocked at my makeup bag.
I would love to see
I'm
your makeup
excited
bag
for the edumacation.
I'm gonna go in with the makeup primer by Scandinavia. This is like a prepping spray for oily skin. Like I have oily skin. I think you say you have oily skin,
yes.
so it's gonna help you with that.
Go through 5 of those little wonderful
blotting
sheets. Look through them. It's fantastic.
I stick them on my face and they stay there. That's how gross.
I'm laughing because yes, I have done that myself. Thank you.
Yeah,
cheers.
we're also drinking.
Thank you.
Yeah. For foundations, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this 2 by NARS. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I really don't know her shade, so I think between these 2, it'll be the perfect match. So we're gonna see if this is a match. And I'm applying that base with a beauty blender. Just
that feels great. I've never had one of these on my skin before.
I'm gonna get you one.
I know. You're spending lots of money upgrading. This is my
your husband's
extensive Rite Aid collection I have at home. It's an upgrade.
So I'm gonna blend that, and then since you already did your brows, because I brows and me don't
I'm getting a fancier eye pencil though.
Yes, she
precisely
is.
my brow.
Yes, I convinced her.
Yes, it's on order. It'll be here Wednesday.
Really excited for you to try it. I'm super excited.
I have the exclusive Maybelline Eye Expert brow pencil.
I'm gonna go ahead and use concealer. I have 2 here. I'm not really sure which one would be her shade. If this color goes with Riley. Nope, too pinky. Good old Kylie Jenner over here in Shell. Yeah, this one's fair because you, my friend, are kind of fair.
Yes.
So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and conceal under her eyes. Sometimes when I start with my base and I look like a ghost, I'm like, oh,
no, I've never had my face contoured or anything before, so
once you add the powders, that's where you start giving shape to your face.
I'm sneaking a wine break every time she goes away.
So once I apply her concealer, we're gonna make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna be using this Derma Blend setting powder. So I'm gonna take that powder with my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna have you look up, and then I'm just gonna press it in, and we're kind of this is what it's called baking, which we're gonna put a nice thick layer of powder there. We're gonna dust it off later, but what this is gonna do, it's gonna bake the concealer, kind of sort of like make it stay in place a little bit longer. Then we also applied some right here, so we're gonna put some on your chin and a little bit on the forehead, because I don't know about you, but that's where I get oily.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so you want to put setting powder wherever you get oil the most, and then right around your nose. Before doing her shadow, I'm going to apply these shadow shields to her eyes, and this is going to prevent any shadow falling onto her face and, you know, ruining her base. So
those are cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know those existed.
I got these from Amazon and they're freaking amazing. Here. For lids, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'm just blending that. Then we're gonna set her base so that when the shadow goes on top, it doesn't stick on to just like one spot, so it's not patchy.
So that's the setting powder like you did earlier. Okay.
Yes. I'm gonna start on her transition shade.
What's transition shade?
Transition is the first color that you apply so that all the colors will blend afterwards. And usually I apply that right above your eye, your crease.
Okay.
And I like applying that with a big fluffy brush. I'm going to take this shade, which is Full Zip from ColourPop, and I'm just going to highlight her brow bone. Because we don't want that transition shade going up all the way up. We want to have a separation here between the two. Dude, I'm a little bit tipsy.
Hello, me too.
I've never done makeup this tipsy.
It's gonna start a trend.
It's kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like on
I know you're gonna have to
fourth
fight my
grade.
wine sweat.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is Sienna by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna start working on her outer corner. And just dragging this shade more towards the outside to extend her eye shape a little bit. I'm going to be taking Cocoa Bear with my Sigma E25 and going on to the crease. I'm going to be taking Cocoa Bear right here with my Sigma E25, same brush I was using. And I am just going to deepen out this outer V right here, just to give her a little bit more dimension to the eye. So I'm going to take that same concealer that we used by Kylie Jenner and a small brush. Let's say I'm gonna put right here. Go ahead and blink, because I want to know where your lid is gonna hit with your when you open your eyeball. So I'm gonna start right here.
What is it?
Taking this shade right here from ColourPop called Ringer in my Morphe M421, and I'm going to pack this on the inner corner of the eye, right where I cut that crease. I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Shimma Shimma by Makeup Geek, and my pencil brush from Sigma and E30. And I'm going to pop that more towards the inner corner of the eye to open up her eye. I'm going to go back to that Cocoa Bear shadow from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to blend that shimmery shadow that we applied to the lid, so it's more of a nice transition and there's no harsh lines. I'm going to take my Morphe E17 in this shade by Makeup Geek in Americano. Even deepen that outer crease just a little bit more. I want her eyes to be super smoky towards the out. I'm going to take a little bit of this ColourPop shade in Maze. And I'm going to just pop that in the center of her eye for additional pop. No, drink it. Why? Fuck that. This is a drinking channel. I'm going to be setting her face with the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC25 and my Morphe Y6. set that foundation even more. Make sure it doesn't move throughout the day. And it lasts all day. I'm gonna go into this Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in bronze, and I'm gonna take this big Morphe E41 brush, and I'm going to bronze her face. I love this brush because it's ginormous and it like cuts my work in here.
Yeah.
A little bit. Thank you. To contour her cheeks, I'm going to go into this Hoola Bronzer by Benefit and my Morphe M530. I'm just going to carve out her cheekbones just a little bit. And one more. To clean out that contour, I'm going to go back into that setting powder in my Beauty Blender. And I'm going to carve those cheeks to make them a little bit more defined. While that bakes, I'm gonna go into this blush by Kylie Cosmetics in the shade X-Rated in my Morphe E4. I'm going to apply this blush to her cheeks. And with the same brush, I'm just gonna dust away that bake that we did. Going back to the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take Cocoa Bear right here on this Eco Tools brush, and I'm gonna work on her lower lash line, so open up her eyes.
I always love this look and never do it.
No.
I don't think I have the right tools.
Maybe, yeah, you need
to like smudge it into the lower eyelash.
Yes. It just gives that little smokiness to your eye. And going into this shade Fudge by Anastasia Beverly Hills and my Morphe M432, I'm just going to tightline a little bit closer to her waterline. Highlighter, we're gonna go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy, this brush right here. I don't know the name. Okay, so we're gonna go into that and then just highlight the high points of her cheeks.
I love the highlighters. It's crazy.
Inner corner to open up her eye. Have you used liquid lipsticks before?
Yeah, I really don't. I usually just wear chapstick.
Oh, nice.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, nice. Right.
Lip.
Yes, this one's really nice. This was by Kylie Cosmetics and Kim Kardashian. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set her face with a little bit of setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics in Slay All Day. Close your eyeballs. Don't open them because this stuff is strong.
It smells good.
Mango.
Nice. I like it.
Alright guys, so that is the finished look on my friend Riley. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you know anytime there's a new video in my channel. And until next time, remember that the world is your canvas, so make it pretty. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.
And